Guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a Blockman Go mod menu onto your device. So as you can see, guys, we get all these settings: lag, teammate, frame boost, AI mode, PC control. So it's pretty crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this onto your phone. So what you want to do, guys, is go onto your browser, and we're just going to go over to this site called GCUBES, which has a ton of mods for apps and games. Okay, so when you get over to this website, guys, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Blockman Go. And as you can see, guys, it says Blockman Go mod. So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got like a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed. But yes, it's super cool, guys. And it is totally working. So be sure to try it out for yourself, because there's a couple of these videos that don't work, but this one actually works, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out right now while it is still updated for 2024. It's pretty wild, as you can see. So yeah, this is an updated mod menu, guys, for those of you that do not want to pay. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super cool, guys, and it fully works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Subscribe to the channel, though. This is super insane, guys, and it is fully updated, guys, so it is totally working. So be sure to go ahead and try it out, because this is super crazy. And yeah, you don't have to jailbreak or anything like that, which is awesome. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is updated, guys, and it fully works. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.